भूर्भुवः स्वः
भूर्भुवः स्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Hi little learners, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing well and everything is going good. Very nice. So in today's video class, we are going to do phonic long I sound. We are going to read phonic long I reading words, as well as we are going to read this paragraphs of bees, and also we will be going to do the conjunction and, or, and but, and phonic exercise. So are you all ready? Let's start then. लॉन्ग आई को कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं? जिम, ज आई Jim likes to ride his bike and hide by the lake. Today he rides his bike 5 miles and stops the rest. Very good learners, well tried. Now let's read together. Jim likes to ride his bike and hide by the lake. Today he rides his bike 5 miles and stop the rest. अभी तक हमने डायग्राफ्स वगैरह रीड किए थे जिसमें हमने देखा था लॉन्ग ई कैसे बनाते हैं. टुडे वी विल सी लॉन्ग आई कैसे बनाते हैं. ओके, कम ऑन, लेट्स बिगिन द नेक्स्ट वन. Jim sees a hive in the tree. Bees like to go in the hive. Jim wants to see a bee, so he hits the hive 5 times. 6 bees flies and see Jim. Oh no, says Jim. He runs to his bike, but he cannot quite get away. The bees are quite mad. Jim yells and cries and hides. Jim will not hit the hive 5 times. Next time he will just ride his bike and go away. Come on, let's read one more time. Jim likes to ride his bike and hide by the lake. Today he ride his bike 5 miles and stop the rest. Jim sees a hive in the tree. Bees like to go in the hive. Jim wants to see a bee, so he hit the hive 5 times. 6 bees fly and see Jim. Oh no, say Jim. He runs to his bike, but he cannot quite get away. The bees are quite mad. Jim yells and cries and hides. Jim will not hit the high 5 times. Next time, he will just ride his bike and go away. Very good. Now let's underline all the long I sound words. The first is Jim likes ride his bike. Height rides 5 meals. Bike one more time. Jim one more time. Hive. The bees like to go in the hive. Jim want to see the bee, so he hits the hive 5 times. 6 bees fly and see Jim. Oh no, says Jim. He runs to his bike, but he cannot quite get away. The bees are quiet, mad. Jim yells and cries and hides. Jim will not hit the hive 5 times. Next time, he will just ride his bike and go away. Come on, learners. Now turn the page. Come to the next page. Page number 28. Now, little learners, in page number 28, there is one exercise, that is phonic exercise, where you have to search few words and then you have to see the words here, like bike, then kite, then dim, then time, then hike, hide, dine and rise. So you have to search all these words in this word search puzzle. Alright, so this exercise is your homework. You can write it down, homework, and don't forget to write the date. The date is 17/3/21. Okay, so this exercise is your homework. Now let's come to the another topic, that is conjunction, and, but and or. Yes, learners, these are known as conjunction. What are they known as? Conjunction. Also, they are known as joining words. Also, they are known as joining words and linking words. What are they? Joining words and linking words are the words that joins or link two words or two sentences together. Yes, little learners, joining words and linking words are known as conjunction. They are the words that joins or links two words or two sentences together. Alright, now let's see more about conjunction and then we will do the exercise portion. We had seen the meaning, that is joining words and conjunction. Or we can say conjunctions are joining words that joins words or group of words in a sentence. They are also joining words that joins two sentences together. They are also known as linking word, and they are and, but, और, दो and because, जिसमें से हम आज 3 के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं, जो कि है and, but and or. The conjunction and is used to join words and sentences that have related ideas. ऐसे सेंटेंस या ऐसे वर्ड्स जिसका रिलेटेड आइडियाज़ होते हैं, जिनके रिलेटेड आइडियाज़ होते हैं, उसमें हम AND एंड कंजक्शन का यूज करते हैं। तो अ कंजक्शन एंड इज यूज्ड टू जॉइन वर्ड्स और sentences that have related ideas. Now let's see but conjunction. But the conjunction but is used to join words and sentences that have opposite ideas. कंजक्शन बट का यूज कहाँ करते हैं? ऐसे सेंटेंसेस या वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए जिसके अपोजिट आइडियाज होते हैं। ओके, तो एंड कंजक्शन का यूज हम करते हैं फॉर सिमिलर आइडियाज या सिमिलर वर्ड्स या सिमिलर आइडियाज वाले वर्ड, सिमिलर आइडियाज वाले सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो चलो बच्चों यहाँ लिख देते हैं ब्रैकेट में, टू ज्वाइन सिमिलर आइडिया and but is used for very good opposite ideas, to join the sentences of opposite ideas. and or का हम देखते हैं अभी, or is used to join words and sentences in order to show choice. For choices we use would you like to have coffee or tea. तो हमने क्या किया? चॉइस दी सामने वालों को कि आपको कॉफ़ी चाहिए या टी चाहिए। समझ में आ गया लिटिल लर्नर्स? कहाँ हम AND एंड कंजक्शन का यूज़ करते हैं, कहाँ हम बट का यूज़ करते हैं और कहाँ हम और का यूज़ करते हैं। तो एंड हम सिमिलर आइडियाज़ को ज्वाइन करने के लिए करते हैं या सिमिलर आइडियाज़ वाले वर्ड्स सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए करते हैं। बट हम अपोजिट आइडियाज़ वाले सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए करते हैं या अपोजिट आइडियाज़ वाले वर्ड्स होते हैं तो हम ज्वाइन करने के लिए बट का यूज़ करते हैं। एंड और हम टू ऑफर चॉइसेस के लिए हम और का यूज़ करते हैं। कम ऑन लर्नर्स, लेट्स ट्राई टू डू द एक्सरसाइज पोर्शन नाउ। द फर्स्ट वन इज आई लाइक वाटर बट आई डोंट लाइक कोला। I like water but I don't like cola. Two opposite sentences है इसलिए हमने but का यूज़ किया। Then it will be warm and sunny on Friday. Warm का मतलब भी गर्म होता है, sunny का मतलब भी गर्म। So it will be warm and sunny on Friday. तो सिमिलर आइडियाज़ वाले सेंटेंस है इसलिए हम AND एंड का यूज़ कर रहे हैं। Then he doesn't like to hang streamers or blow up balloons. दोनों ही balloons है, category of balloons, but we are giving choice. He does not like to hang a streamer or blow up balloon. And here and will come, write it down, AND and. He doesn't like the hang streamers and blow up balloons. Done learners? Here is one correction. Please write it down AND and. And then I don't want candle and streamers. There will be a juggler but there won't be a magician. Two opposite ideas. That's why we are writing beauty but. I like cold and snow days. Cola doesn't have an umbrella. Clara doesn't have an umbrella and a scarf. On Monday it is rainy, but on Sunday it will be sunny. I don't like to wrap present and to make cakes. I like ice cream and I like cake. I like cake but I don't like ice creams. देखा आपने, जहाँ पे भी दो अपोजिट आइडियाज थे हमने क्या ज्वाइन किया? ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड बट। और जहाँ पे भी सिमिलर आइडियाज थे हमने क्या ज्वाइन किया बच्चों? सिमिलर आइडियाज के लिए हमने AND एंड कंजक्शन का यूज़ किया। अपोजिट आइडियाज के लिए हमने BUT बट कंजक्शन का यूज़ किया। और जहाँ पे भी हमें चॉइसेस देनी थी वहाँ पे हमने और का यूज़ किया। इन सेंटेंसेस में और का यूज़ कहीं पे भी नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज कहीं पे भी हमने चॉइस वाले सेंटेंसेस नहीं देखे. ऑलराइट लर्नर्स, सो आई होप कि आपको कंजक्शन समझ में आ गया, फोनिक लॉन्ग आई साउंड समझ में आ गया, and you will be definitely able to do this exercise as your homework. Very good, little learners. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow with another topic, that is unit number 9. Till then, take care, keep studying, work hard, and thank you.